Let's understand what is gold-silver ratio. Gold-silver ratio is the number of ounces of silver required to purchase 1 ounce of gold. For example, gold is trading at $1,500 and silver is trading at $50. So currently gold-silver ratio stands at 30. Why gold and silver ratio moves up or down? Whenever there is a sharp upside movement in gold or whenever there is a sharp downside movement in silver, then this is the case when gold silver ratio starts moving higher, and vice versa. When the gold starts moving lower or the silver starts moving higher, we see gold silver ratio moving downside. The significance of gold silver ratio is whenever the ratio is trading at higher levels, then investors start switching their portfolios from gold to silver, and whenever the ratio is trading at a lower rate, then investors start moving their portfolio to gold. There are many economic conditions. We can talk about recession, we can talk about expansions. During expansion, the demand for silver is created in the market, and during expansions we see that silver is required more in the market, and that is the reason why gold silver ratio starts moving lower. So gold silver ratio can be seen as a measure that determines when to diversify your portfolio from gold to silver or vice versa. To conclude with, we can discuss the charts as well. Let's come to the charts. Generally, gold-silver ratio it trades between the level of 40 to 70, and whenever the ratio goes below 40, then we see a sharp upside trend, a sharp movement in gold-silver ratio from towards the higher levels. And as we can see from here that the gold-silver ratio it reached 40 mark. Then there was a sharp upside movement seen in gold-silver ratio as there were more demand created for gold. And we saw that whenever the gold-silver ratio breached the 70 mark, there was a sharp downside trend seen in gold, and the demand was seen in silver prices, bringing the gold-silver ratio down to 40 mark once again. To conclude with, we can say that this is not the ultimate measure to determine to time the market, and gold-silver ratio, as we can see, that it can stay in a range for days or for weeks or maybe for months. Though this is not the ultimate measure, but yes, it is a good measure to see when the gold or silver is the preferable asset to add to your portfolio. Thank you.